Nouns are everywhere. Let's learn 100 common English nouns, the words you hear and use every single day. Journey. Journey. The long journey across the mountains took several days to complete. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. The cozy cafe has a very relaxing atmosphere for studying. Decision. Decision. You need to make a firm decision about which course to take. Neighborhood. Neighborhood. Our neighborhood is very quiet and has many beautiful parks. Equipment. Equipment. Musicians must take good care of their expensive sound equipment. Discovery. Discovery. The discovery of ancient ruins attracted many tourists to the village. Performance. Performance. Her dance performance at the theater received a standing ovation. Environment. Environment. We should all work together to protect the natural environment. Opportunity. Opportunity. Traveling abroad is a great opportunity to learn about new cultures. Ingredient. Ingredient. Fresh basil is a key ingredient in this traditional Italian pasta. Reputation. Reputation. The restaurant has a global reputation for serving the best seafood. Challenge. Challenge. Climbing the steep hill was a difficult challenge for the hikers. Solution. Solution. Scientists are still searching for a permanent solution to the problem. Knowledge. Knowledge. Books are an excellent source of knowledge and inspiration. Audience. Audience. The audience clapped loudly at the end of the magic show. Furniture. Furniture. They bought some modern furniture to decorate their new apartment. Adventure. Adventure. Starting a new business is always an exciting adventure. Reflection. Reflection. I could see my own reflection in the clear water of the lake. Permission. Permission. You must ask for permission before entering the private office. Experience. Experience. Working in a hospital gave him a lot of valuable experience. If you are finding these words helpful, please don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite noun below, and subscribe to join our learning community. Development. Development. The rapid development of technology changes how we live every day. Creature. Creature. The deep ocean is home to many mysterious and colorful creatures. Comparison. Comparison. It is difficult to make a comparison between these two laptops. Tradition. Tradition. Lighting candles is a common tradition during the winter holidays. Evidence. Evidence. The police found enough evidence to solve the mystery quickly. Strategy. Strategy. The team discussed their strategy for winning the next match. Purpose. Purpose. The main purpose of this meeting is to plan the summer event. Habit. Habit. Drinking a glass of water every morning is a very healthy habit. Influence. Influence. Her parents had a strong influence on her career choices. Destination. Destination. Paris remains the most popular travel destination in the world. Friendship. Friendship. True friendship is based on trust, honesty, and mutual respect. Connection. Connection. There is a strong connection between regular exercise and happiness. Requirement. Requirement. A high score in English is a requirement for this university. Appearance. Appearance. The house has a very traditional appearance from the outside. Achievement. Achievement. Graduating from college was her greatest achievement so far. Collection. Collection. He has an impressive collection of vintage stamps from Europe. Direction. Direction. Could you please tell me which direction the train station is? Conversation. Conversation. I had a long conversation with my neighbor about the weather. Pressure. Pressure. Students often feel a lot of pressure during final exams. Foundation. Foundation. Good communication is the foundation of any successful relationship. Population. Population. The population of the city has grown significantly in 10 years. Variety. Variety. The market offers a wide variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. Distance. Distance. The distance between the two cities is about 200 miles. Responsibility. Responsibility. It is your responsibility to keep your room clean and tidy. Competition. Competition. She won first prize in the National Photography Competition. When learning nouns, try to learn them with their collocations. For example, instead of just decision, learn make a decision. This helps you sound more natural. Attention. Attention. You should pay close attention to the teacher's instructions. Literature. Literature. She loves reading classic literature from the 19th century. Permission. Permission. We need written permission to use these photos on our website. Government. Government. The government is planning to build a new bridge over the river. Improvement. Improvement. There has been a big improvement in your speaking skills lately. Industry. Industry. The tourism industry is very important for the local economy. Situation. Situation. We need to stay calm and analyze the situation carefully. Personality. Personality. He has a very outgoing personality and makes friends easily. Imagination. Imagination. Children often have a very vivid and creative imagination. Conclusion. Conclusion. The author reached an interesting conclusion at the end of the book. Attitude. Attitude. Having a positive attitude can help you overcome many problems. Membership. Membership. You can enjoy many benefits with a gold membership at the gym. Security. Security. The building has 24-hour security to keep the residents safe. Discovery. Discovery. The discovery of electricity changed the course of human history. Resource. Resource. The library is a valuable resource for students doing research. Communication. Communication. Clear communication is essential for working in a professional team. Background. Background. Can you tell me a little bit about your professional background? Interaction. Interaction. Social interaction is very important for a child's development. Preference. Preference. Do you have a preference for tea or coffee in the morning? Employee. Employee. The company has over 500 employees in this office. Use the labeling method. Put sticky notes on items in your house with these English nouns. Seeing the word every time you look at the object will build your memory faster. Suggestion. Suggestion. Does anyone have a suggestion for where we should eat tonight? Property. Property. They decided to invest their savings in a small rental property. Emotion. Emotion. Music has the power to evoke very strong emotions in people. Definition. Definition. If you don't know a word, look up the definition in a dictionary. Ceremony. Ceremony. The wedding ceremony took place in a beautiful garden by the sea. Department. Department. She works in the marketing department of a large international firm. Description. Description. The witness provided a detailed description of the lost suitcase. Freedom. Freedom. Having a car gives you the freedom to travel whenever you want. Protection. Protection. Wear sunscreen to provide your skin with protection from the sun. Quality. Quality. We always focus on the quality of our products, not the quantity. Response. Response. I sent an email yesterday, but I haven't received a response yet. Signature. Signature. Please put your signature at the bottom of the last page. Substance. Substance. The scientist identified a strange substance inside the rock. Technology. Technology. Modern technology allows us to work from almost anywhere. Variation. Variation. There is a slight variation in price between the different models. Wealth. Wealth. True wealth is not just about money, but also about health. Youth. Youth. He spent most of his youth living in a small village in France. Ability. Ability. She has a natural ability to play the piano without any lessons. Agreement. Agreement. Both companies finally signed the agreement after weeks of talks. Behavior. Behavior. The teacher was very happy with the student's behavior today. Category. Category. These books are organized into a specific category for children. Damage. Damage. The heavy rain caused significant damage to the roof of the house. Education. Education. A good education is the key to finding a better job in the future. Failure. Failure. We should learn from failure instead of being afraid of it. Growth. Growth. The plant showed rapid growth after we moved it to the sunlight. To master these 100 words, pick 5 nouns every day and write your own personal sentences about your life. Real-life application is the best way to move words from short-term to long-term memory. Honor. Honor. It is a great honor to meet such a famous and talented artist. Income. Income. Their family income increased after they both got promotions. Judgment. Judgment. You should trust your own judgment when making life choices. Location. Location. The hotel is in a perfect location, right next to the beach. Measurement. Measurement. We need an accurate measurement of the room before buying a rug. Nature. Nature. I love spending time in nature to escape the noise of the city. Opinion. Opinion. In my opinion, the original movie was much better than the remake. Perspective. Perspective. Traveling helps you gain a new perspective on your own life. Quantity. Quantity. The recipe requires a large quantity of sugar and butter. Recommendation. Recommendation. Can you give me a recommendation for a good book to read? Great! Now you can name things in English. Next, let's learn prepositions, the secret to speaking naturally.